Good evening. My name is Jordan Archer, and I am a new MHA student at the University of South Carolina. I am from Charlotte, North Carolina. This is my first course with the program. I have begun classes this summer, and am working full-time here in Columbia. For this first Power of 3 video, I'd like to talk about 3 things that I like to get out of this course this summer. To begin, I have my work briefcase. This summer and for the next few years while I'm in this program, and maybe longer, I'm working with a health insurance broker here in town. My specific roles are looking at claims data for large groups and analyzing on a cost-benefit scale what the company is doing right, what the company is doing wrong, and what the company possibly could do in terms of their health insurance policies and wellness initiatives throughout the company in order to lower their rates and get more bang for their buck in terms of their health insurance. So for this course, I'd like to just further my knowledge of health insurance, and I have this briefcase here to link my work and this course. I am licensed health, life, and accident producer here in South Carolina, and I hope this course will further my understanding of the health insurance domain as well as contribute to my workplace skills. Secondly, I have salt and pepper shakers. I bring these to the video because I want them to represent the health industry and then health insurance. These are 2 very, very different things, but they also come together in a sense. You know, usually when you use this pepper, you also use the salt and vice versa. You rarely hear about health care or health care reform without health insurance, and vice versa. You usually don't hear about health insurance without talking about health care reform. They go together to a certain extent, and so do salt and pepper. Third, I have a koozie here, and this koozie, I see it as a way to regulate a drink's temperature. In the same way, insurance is also a regulator of healthcare. Healthcare is regulated through many different things, insurance being just one of them. Insurance has a very, very intertwined importance and meaning and play, and is a major player in the healthcare industry. And I use this koozie to show that as this insulates beverage, insurance also insulates and wraps around the health insurance industry. At this point, I assume in the next Power of 3 video, I will introduce a discussion question along with my other group members. And like I said, this is my first ever Power of 3 video, so I hope this went well. And thank you. I also want to add one more note about the koozie. You know, as it regulates the temperature, insurance costs also regulate the health care and health industry market to a certain extent as well. I wanted to add that point in there. But thank you, and hope you have a good evening.